My buddies out in California with gripclean said, hey, we noticed you don't wear a lot of gloves. Your hands are always a mess. And I said, I don't know what you're talking about. I got a brand new box of gloves about 6 years ago. And they said, we know you're not a tool polisher either. We can't even tell what brand some of those tools are anymore. But I told them, I don't just review products for fun. I don't take any money to do it. But you send me your product and I get to tell people whether it's junk or whether it's top notch. And they agreed. They said it's on its way. We're going to start off with the snap-on trim removal tool. This thing gets used every day. I mean, you can barely even tell that it's a snap-on. So, I mean, we'll fix... Oh, wow. That was like, what, 2 or 3 wipes back and forth? Like, that's pretty wild. So, long story while I'm cleaning this, I used to use this stuff called Awesome Cleaner from the dollar store. And it worked okay, but I would have to do this, you know, for, I don't know, 10 minutes and a couple different layers of it. And you would see like little layers of brown oil come off of here and stuff. This is like once and done. You wipe this back and forth. I mean, maybe dry it off with a towel quick, but this thing's looking brand new. Here's another tool that gets used every day, some hose clamp pliers from OEM. These things can be kind of miserable if you don't wipe them down every day. I mean, that's incredible. That looks brand new. Like, I didn't even try yet. And there's some buried inside the grip and all kinds of stuff on these. So I'm going to see if I can get... It fits right in there. This is crazy. Look at that. Well, I don't know. I mean, I told him I'd give him an honest review. I didn't think it was going to go this well. I thought it was going to go differently. But gripclean, you're legit.